My name is Annie from the Banannie Diaries, and today we are going to have just like a really relaxing session. It's been like a really freaking stressful day, and I just want to chill out right now, and I need to like decompress. So we're going to do like a little chit chat. I'm going to show you some skincare, some of my favorite products. I have some goodies that just arrived that I really want to show you, and just have some fun. Let's do it. First things first, we are going to light one of my favorite candles. I have this lighter here. It's like a rechargeable lighter. Super helpful. But this is seriously, it's so cute. It says, I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. I have a discount for Ryan Porter Candier candles, so I'll put that in the description for you. They have the cutest candles. I need to check out their Valentine's and Galentine's collection because they're always so cute. There's like glitter in it too. And it smells so good. This one says it's fresh and exotic. All right. All right, so I'm just going to set this right here on my little table. Okay. One product that is always in my skincare routine, and I absolutely give a huge amount of credit to this mask for helping me to maintain clear skin. So this is the red light face mask by Higher Dose. I am a Higher Dose partner, but I swear this mask, like, it's incredible. I love using it. So I'm just going to do a 10-minute session today because that'll give me some time to talk through some of these products that I chose. So we just strap it right on. Now my skin is clean. I just took a shower right before I started to film this. So I have the power cord here, and I'm just going to put it on for a 10-minute session. It says grow at your own pace. It's available at my small business. I want it to be super cozy. Let's pull a card. This is going to be like a very chaotic video because I have so much on my mind right now. Beyond grateful, because in these moments we're going to remember what we're grateful for. I don't know. We have time today. Should we pull like 3 cards and see what we get? I'm not very good at shuffling, so I'm just not going to look. All right. There's 1, 2, 3. Number 1 is personal growth. I embrace each day as an opportunity to learn and grow. I am thankful. The next one is community and society. I appreciate the opportunities to learn from and contribute to my community. And last but not least, I value the relationships I've built in my professional network. This is under career and achievements. So definitely 3 thoughts to keep in your mind. So let's go through some products that I've been using recently. This is a hair product. It's the Cold Brunette Toning Spray. It's a toner for brown hair. I've been spraying this on my hair on wash days. I absolutely love it, and this brand literally smells so good. I'm going to link as many of these for you as possible. The skincare I'm going to wait for because I'll put that on after. I have a fragrance in front of me. This is Daring. This is one of the newer scents from Victoria's Secret. I'm a Victoria's Secret partner, but I absolutely love this one. I absolutely love it. It smells so good, and it has a really like bold, I would say fierce is a good way to describe it. I mean, the name is Daring, so it's definitely a bold scent. It smells so good. I always start with the fragrance mist first. They do smell a bit different in my opinion. They're obviously not as strong as the actual perfume sprays, but like that one just smells so good. I am going to go on to a perfume spray that I have though, that this is pretty much like my daily scent at this point. It's God is a Woman by Ariana Grande. It smells so good. It was on like a super sale a couple months ago, and I bought so many bottles of it because when it was that cheap, I was so scared it was going to be discontinued. But it smells so good and so light and so fresh, and I've gotten so many compliments when I wear this one. My best friend bought me this book for the holidays. It is You Were Born for This, Astrology for Radical Self-Acceptance by Chani Nicholas. My best friend's been trying to get me on the Chani app for a while. She has the paid version. I just did the free one. I feel like my experience with the free one, this is not an ad whatsoever. I just feel like you don't get much information out of the free version if you're going to do it. I don't know what she has on the paid one, but I didn't find that there was that much going on the free one. But I'm really excited to read this book. There's so much information in here. My best friend is teaching me about astrology at the moment and zodiac and all of that good stuff. So I'm so excited to read this, but I'll have to keep you posted on it. I haven't started it yet. One of my favorite books. I love it. It's at my small business. It's 101 essays that will change the way you think. Check it out on my online shop, my TikTok shop. It's so good. I love it. Let's read a couple different pieces. What I like to do in these moments is open it to a page and just read what I see. All right. It looks like I opened it in the middle of a list of something. So let's go back. The importance of stillness. Why it's imperative to make time to do nothing. We're conditioned to associate stillness with inactivity and inactivity with failure. We're trained to be overworked and to believe that if at any point we aren't doing something that contributes to our goals, we're not doing anything. It makes us unable to just be with ourselves, our purpose only legitimate if it's serving someone or something else. In fact, we are so opposed to being with ourselves. In a study done by the University of Virginia, over 700 people were asked to sit just in a room alone with their thoughts for 6 to 15 minutes, alongside a shock button that they could press if they ever wanted out. 67% of men and 25% of women chose to shock themselves rather than sit quietly and think. Stillness is psychologically imperative, though. We are not built to be running all the time, and doing so leads to absolutely detrimental effects, the least of which I will touch on here. When overworking is our identity, we lose track of who we actually are, and in the process, we stop living actual lives. This is like such a meant-to-be moment based on what I've been going through lately. So another reason why I love this book, it's so good. Number 1, what we call doing nothing is actually crucial for our physiological selves and is essential to maintain a happy, peaceful, balanced lifestyle. The idea that we must always be doing something is completely cultural and completely unhealthy. Notice how we only feel we are doing something when that something can be externally measured by other people. It's been 10 minutes already. Pause for a second. So I'm going to take this off. I absolutely love it. And then I like to start applying my skincare when I take this off. So first up, I have to find it. This is a new product that I'm trying. I'm so excited to try it. This is by Well People. It is the Pore Detox Refining Niacinamide Serum. This is it right here. It says apply 1 to 2 pumps to clean dry skin using upward sweeping motions. Once absorbed, follow with your favorite moisturizer. Use once or twice daily, morning or night. We'll do 2 pumps. That red mark is just from where the mask was pressing into my face, but it goes away. Adjust it based on what you need. I feel like I might have been able to get away with 1 pump of this. It seems to be covering a lot. All right, let's let it soak in. I'm going to go back to reading. Number 2, in the do-nothing state, the brain is superpowering itself. It's completing unconscious tasks or integrating and processing conscious experiences. In the resting state, neural networks can process experiences, consolidate memories, reinforce learning, regular attention and emotions, and in turn, keep us more productive and effective in our day-to-day work. 3. Human beings are not designed to be continually expending energy whilst conscious. And it has a massive effect on the very thing they are trying to put their energy toward, their work. Tony Schwartz cited a study in his piece on productivity and restfulness in the New York Times, which proved that not getting enough sleep or do-nothing time was the highest predictor of on-the-job burnout. Another Harvard study he cited estimated that sleep deprivation costs American companies $63.2 billion a year in lost productivity. So I'm going to stop at number 3. There's a whole list. I'm going to link this book for you. It's so good, though. I absolutely love it. Up next, let's continue with things that I'm loving lately. I have a lip mask. I've had this for over a year now, like well over a year. This is by Jason Wu Beauty. I love it. It's also great as like a really sheer gloss. So good. All right, let's see what else I have here. I feel like I'm going to let this dry for a second before I put anything else on my face. This Inkbox sent me these tattoos. This is a little like palm trees in the shape of a heart and waves. And then this one is a little cross and then another one that says blessed. I'm so excited to try these. I have some other ones from their brand too that are fun. I have like a little bumblebee. I still haven't used them though. I need to just like finally do it. I am beyond excited. This is part 2, which means I guess I need to get part 1. This is I've Tried Everything But Therapy by Teddy Swims. I'm so excited to put this on and play it. I love listening to Teddy Swims. So good. Like I would say, well, he was my number 1 on Spotify Wrapped, like by far. Yeah, I'm really excited to listen to this. He's like constantly blasting out of my phone. Dr. Berg sent me some really good products that I'm excited to share with you. So these are electrolytes. These are single stick packs. It's raspberry lemon. This is collagen peptides. I love putting these into my protein shakes. And then the one that I'm so excited to try is magnesium powder. So I'm going to be trying this one tonight. It's also raspberry and lemon. While I'm on the topic of drinks, I have this super cute cup. This is one of my favorites for my small business. If you didn't know, it's shop@bananniediaries.com. I have clothing. There are some really exciting drops coming soon. I'm so excited. I'm putting the final touches on now. But these are can-shaped glasses. This is my Please, Please, Please Love Yourself collection. There are lids and straws as well that are optional. So I have that glass because I want to give away with Spindrift and my bestie. So this is a whole box of Cosmopolitan. I'm so excited to try it. So I'm doing my little Spindrift break of the day by trying out the Cosmopolitan. I'm so excited to try this. I love Spindrift. Everything tastes so good. Here it is. I'm so excited for this. It smells so good. All right, here's my taste test. That tastes so good. It's so refreshing and such a great, like, fresh fruit kind of taste. I love Spindrift. Seriously, their flavors are delicious. What a perfect drink to have during this little session. This is a cleanser that I just started using. They sent this to me in exchange for a review. This is not the review, by the way. This is like, I already did the review and I love it. And I still love it. I don't know how to pronounce this though. Mellow Marula Cream Cleanser. Calm and Balance, 1% colloidal oatmeal and marula oil. This feels so relaxing on my skin. Like, so good. And I absolutely love this. This is like for real going into my routine. I just ran out of one of my other favorite cleansers, which was by Kopari. And I'm going to transition this one into my routine and see in the long term of how much I love it. I don't always switch products that easily, but I am going to switch and give this one a shot because I actually like, after using it a few times, I really love it and my skin is calmer too, which is always a plus. All right, now that this has soaked in a bit, I'm going to use the Ceramide Barrier Serum by Coco Kind. I love this. I feel like a glazed donut when I use this one. This tastes so good. All right. And then to finish up, this is the Texture Smoothing Cream, also by Coco Kind. I love using them. I actually have a full review of one of their latest launches, the electrolyte water cream. You can find that on my YouTube as well. It's so good. I have been working with them for a while now. I love their products. They're always so light and gentle on my skin. And I have a whole basket of products dedicated to Coco Kind. That's how much I love them. It's like a full-on basket full of their products. Thank you so much for tuning into my little chit chat. This was super therapeutic for me. So thank you for listening to me babble on. I will put as many links to shop in the description of the video below. You can also find a link to my website and my blog where you can go into some of the blog posts that I've written about products and different holidays and things like that. There's also a whole page dedicated to discounts and shopping links. Subscribe to my YouTube, subscribe to my email list. I send out a weekly email. Sometimes it's on Wednesdays, sometimes it's on Fridays, but there's a weekly email that will go out. The link will also be down below.